Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not installed on the application of Pinterest. You will go to settings. In this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will go to above, you will search about Pinterest app and you will click. Here in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. If it's not working with you, then you can uninstall your app and you can install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.